trying to figure out how to replace their livelihood after thousands of dollars of tools were stolen.
At a crime wave in the San Fernando Valley, thieves are targeting work vans, hoping to score some prized property.
More than $50,000 worth of product was gone when staff arrived on scene.
Okay, we got a 2020 Transit. We end up giving them the Clipper alarm. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. Locks your doors. Unlocks your doors. Okay. We gave the guy the panic button also. Okay. If anybody opens any of the doors, of course it will trigger. It's got the antenna on the top that's gonna give you a length of a football field that you can arm and disarm the alarm, and it's gonna have the blue LED light. Yeah, basically any door that anybody opens in this vehicle, the alarm will go off. Alright, also has the shock sensor, so in case somebody breaks a window, the alarm will trigger. I'm gonna go ahead and pound on this window right here. Okay, and it's got panic button here. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida. This is on a Ford Transit Connect. In this system, you can always upgrade it with the cellular module, so you'll have the app that you can arm and disarm it. And if the alarm fires off, you're gonna get the alerts in your phone. And also comes with the GPS, and it gives you the ability that you can arm and disarm the alarm anywhere in the world. In case you, when you exit the vehicle, if you wanna arm it from far away or disarm it from anywhere in the United States. That's an add-on. But our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.